In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Gmail password if you forgot it. Before we start, a quick note. This method works only if your Gmail password was previously saved in your web browser on this device. We're simply retrieving a password your browser already remembered for you. Make sure you're doing this on your own account and your own computer, and keep your information private as you go. First, open your web browser. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or applications folder, whatever is easiest. Give the browser a moment to load fully so all menus are available. Next, open the main browser menu. Look toward the top right corner of the window. Depending on your browser, this may appear as three horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger icon. In other browsers, you might see three dots instead. Either way, click that menu button to reveal your browser's options. From the menu, go to the section for passwords and autofill. This is where your browser stores information it can fill in for you, like addresses, payment details, and saved logins. If you don't see it immediately, choose Settings first, then look for a category labeled Autofill, Profiles, or Privacy. Inside that, select Passwords and Autofill. Now, click Password Manager. This opens the area where your saved website usernames and passwords are listed. You might see a search box at the top, and below it, a list of sites your browser has stored credentials for. Look for Gmail in this list. It might appear as Gmail, Google, mail.google.com, or accounts.google.com. If there's a search field, type Gmail or Google to filter the results quickly. When you find the entry associated with your Gmail login, click it to open the details. Here you should see your saved username or email and a hidden password. To reveal the password, click the eye icon or the Show button. For your security, your computer may ask you to confirm your identity with your device password, fingerprint, or face recognition. Approve that prompt, and your Gmail password will become visible. Take a moment to read it carefully and consider copying it securely to sign in. When you're done, click Hide Again or close the window to keep your information protected. If you don't see a Gmail entry, it likely means the password wasn't saved in this browser on this device, or it might be saved in a different browser or a separate password manager you use. That's it. You opened your browser, went to Passwords and Autofill, launched the password manager, found Gmail, and revealed your saved password securely. Keep your credentials safe and only view them when you're in a private, trusted environment.